welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel we'll talk about relaxed hair, hair growth tips, protective styling, and so much more concerning the hair topic in general. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video I'm back with another update on my protective style challenge. Not really another update, a new update, because this is the first update I'm giving for this protective style. If you've not watched the video where I installed the protective style, I will link it down in the description box below so that you can check it out. So this is how my protective style currently is under my wigs. Let me just take off the wig cap. So these are the look right now. For the first few days of this protective style, I just carried them out without wigs. What I usually do is put them in a bun and I carry them like that for a few days before I finally started putting them back under wigs. So these are the look right now. Is the current length. So the usual, take a guess, how long in this protective style do you think I'm in currently? I've already shown you guys my new growth, so you should be able to take a guess. This protective style is new, like I said. If you started when I started, make sure to leave it down in the comment section down below. Or if you're with me in my own protective style challenge and you've not taken down your protective style, kudos girl, you are doing great. Make sure to leave that in the comment section down below. So yeah, I'll be taking your guess. My braids are currently 3 weeks old and I think it's not bad. You know, I was saying something in my last video, and that was the fact that I usually notice, I don't know if it's just me, but for a couple of times now, I noticed that immediately after manipulating my scalp, like after washing my hair or after taking down my braids or something, any form of manipulation at all, I noticed that the growth I get immediately post that is fast, like the rate of growth is fast, plus it usually feels more moisturized compared to before the scalp manipulation process. So I don't know if I'm the only one that experiences this. If you do as well, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below, because I noticed that this is like much for 3 weeks. Although I know I have a fast hair growth normally, so I don't know, maybe I didn't make the observations right. But one thing I know for certain is the moisturizing. My new growth is soft, which is not common, okay, especially when I'm so many months post relaxer, because before I took down my old braids and washed my hair, you guys saw my new growth, it was dry. So moisturizing it before the takedown actually helped with the takedown process and all that to reduce breakage. But now seeing my new growth, like, I don't even think it needs moisturizing right now. If I'm going to moisturize my hair, maybe just my ends. Maybe my ends are not feeling that dry. But my new growth is on another level. I don't know if it can be seen from the camera, but how I wish you guys are here, like to touch it physically to understand what I'm talking about. So I'm thinking one of the theories I have in my head is scalp massages, because normally when you do scalp massages you stimulate more blood flow to your scalp produces more oils, more natural products for your hair, and that's why a lot of us usually go on scalp massages challenge. Although I don't really do this, but maybe one of the days I'm going to come with a scalp massage challenge and see the effect it has on my hair. So I think that was what happened here. From the braids take down, the shampoo and everything, during the whole process I was massaging my scalp. So I think that led to more blood flow to my scalp, more oils production and all that, and that's why my new growth is actually moisturized right now. Because apart from moisturizing my daily living straightener, the Profectiv Mega Glow daily living straightener, which I use as my moisturizer. Apart from applying that after my wash day and my heat protectant, I have not used any product. I didn't even apply oil that day. So this is certainly natural products from my scalp. So as of now, 3 weeks into this protective style, you know me, I don't usually apply products on my hair or wash my hair when in long-term protective style. So I've not done any other thing. I've not applied moisturizer, wash, conditioned, or any other thing. And that is the same way I'm going to carry it till I take it out, just like my last protective style. As for how long I'm going to live in this protective style, I have no idea yet. That is the truth, because it's 3 weeks now. And just in case you are new here, the purpose of this protective style challenges is to bring me closer to my relaxer day without experiencing breakage, because when I'm so many months post relaxer and I just put my head down like that, I get a lot of tangles, a lot of breakage. So that's why during this entire period, my hair is almost always in protective styles. So I'm currently 9 months post relaxer right now, and this is the longest I've ever gone on the relaxer stretch. But like I said, I don't know when I'm going to be taking down this protective style yet, because I don't know when I'm going to relax my hair yet. I got a lot of comments in my previous video and the ones before that asking when I was going to relax my hair. But the truth is that I don't know, guys, and I said this in my last video. The plan was 8 months. When it got to 8 months, I decided to take it further due to some circumstances to 9 or 10 months. It's currently 9 months, and I don't even see my hair relaxing at 10 months. And like I said in my previous videos, this relaxer stretch may get up to a year. I'm not so sure. So I just hope everything just sorts itself out so that I can relax my hair. So that's when I'm going to take down this protective style. But I don't know if I'm going to carry this protective style like this till then, because there's a new protective style I came across recently, and I'm really excited to try that protective style. And another thing is, it's so perfect under wigs. So I don't know if I should try the protective style after my relaxer, or if I should take these braids out and try it. But these braids are pretty new, so there's no way I'm taking them out. If I came across the protective style earlier, I would have installed them after my wash day instead of installing these braids. But anyways, but I must do that protective style. Like, it's a must, because I feel it's perfect for stretching your hair, for protecting your hair and all that. Plus the fact that it can be used under wigs. So when I'm going to install that protective style, I'm going to come back and show you guys. So for now, I think that is everything concerning my protective style challenge updates. So I just pray everything goes well very, very fast, so I can take down this protective style, relax my hair, because you guys have been telling me you can't wait for my relaxer day. Me myself, I can't wait for it. Like, I want it. No, I want it to come. If I have my way, I would have relaxed my hair, because the truth is I have a lot of content in my head planned for you guys, and this relaxer day is just hindering the whole process. So I just pray it comes fast. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for this update. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this video to this point, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to join the family and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.